a sound understanding of the unit circle, I think that we can make this a little bit easier. So I am going to write down, I am going to go ahead and write down r cosine theta plus I times r sine of theta. All right, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to find where would this point land. So I'm going to go a distance of 1/2 in this direction, whoops, 1/2 in this direction, and then I'm going to drop down a distance. So this is 1/2, and then this is a distance of radical 3/2. Let me press pause. I need to go check it out. Sorry about that. Just about bedtime here at the Bradley household. Okay, so I'm going to go down here, and then I'm going to write down these coordinates. This is 1/2 and negative radical 3/2. Now, here's where I believe understanding your unit circle can kind of save us some time. So I want to relate this up to the first quadrant. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm not going to put 2's in the bottoms and the squares on top. I can already see that right here is the reference angle. So this 60 degrees is the reference angle here. So this angle right here is 60 degrees. So I can come right over here. This reference angle is 60 degrees. That means this is 5 pi over 3. This is 5 pi over 3. Now I do need to know what is this length. What is this length? A couple different ways we can do this. So this is a length of 1/2. This is a length of radical 3/2. Yes, we're going down, that's why it's negative. But if we relate it back to our triangle, let me make this triangle. I'll make it in the same shape here. Let's relate it back to the special triangle. So in across from the special triangle, I can see that here's 90. I'm trying to make it the same. Here's 30. Okay, so across from 30 is going to be 1a, and across from here is going to be 2a, and this is going to be a times the square root of 3. You're thinking like, well, how does that help me? So in this triangle, across from 30 is 1/2. So I can take 1/2 and I can set it equal to 1a. Well, divided by 1, if I take 1/2 and divide by 1, I still get 1/2. So a equals 1/2. How is that going to help me? Because when I come over and I take 2 times a, 2 times 1/2 is simply 1. So this length is 1. Or you would know that the unit circle has a radius of 1, and you wouldn't have to do that math. It's really kind of up to whatever your understanding of mathematics is. So I know that this is 1. So r is 1, and we've already declared this angle here, this angle right here, all the way around to be 5 pi over 3 with that reference angle of 60 degrees or pi over 2. So let's put this in here. I need a 1 in front. Okay, there's a 1, a 1, a 1. Oh, can't be this. And then we have cosine of 5 pi over 3.